Here's your recipe for an Asian-inspired cream of broccoli soup. Use Japanese red sweet potatoes, also known as Murasaki or Satsumimo. These are a great choice if you want a creamy, slightly sweet and nutty flavor. They're less sweet than orange sweet potatoes and have a denser texture, which pairs well with broccoli and coconut cream without overpowering the dish. Ingredients: 1 kilogram broccoli, florets, plums peeled stalks, chopped, 1 large onion, finely chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 2 tablespoons fresh grated ginger, 1 large sweet potato, about 250 grams or 1 medium yakin, peeled and diced, 1 liter vegetable stock, 200 to 250 milliliters coconut cream, adjust for desired richness, 2 tablespoons olive oil or coconut oil for a stronger tropical flavor, salt and pepper to taste, optional garnish, toasted coconut flakes, fresh herbs, or a drizzle of coconut cream. Next, the preparation instructions. 1. Prepare the broccoli. Chop the florets and peel the stalks to remove the tough outer layer. Dice the stalks into small pieces. 2. Sauté aromatics. Heat olive oil or coconut oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add the onion and sauté for 3 to 4 minutes until softened. Stir in the garlic and cook for another minute. Sauté the ginger with the onion and garlic in the initial step to mellow its sharpness. 3. Add vegetables and stock. Add the chopped broccoli, florets and stalks, and diced sweet potato or yacon to the pot. Pour in the vegetable stock, ensuring everything is mostly submerged. 4. Simmer. Bring to a boil, then reduce to a simmer. Cook for 15 to 20 minutes or until the broccoli and sweet potato yacon are tender. 5. Blend the soup. Use an immersion blender to puree the soup directly in the pot or transfer to a blender in batches and puree until smooth. 6. Add coconut cream. Stir in the coconut cream for a rich and velvety texture. Heat gently but do not boil to maintain the creaminess. Season and serve. Add salt and pepper to taste. Serve hot, garnished with toasted coconut flakes or a drizzle of coconut cream for added flair.